YouTube, hey everybody, welcome to Designs by Bella. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, sweet friends. Hi everybody. I'm very excited. First of all, happy Friday, and thank you very much for the love and support on Wednesday's video. I'll also leave Wednesday's video linked down in the end if you want to watch it. And I would really appreciate that. Anyways, so finally, I finally got to film the entire home tour. I know it's a little echoey. I know, I just realized my home's a little echoey. I need more carpets. I need more area rugs. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you off the tripod. We're gonna start from outside, and I'm gonna walk you right through all the way to my bedroom, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, everything I've done for the fall. I really am very late to the game. I'm very late on YouTube to post this because many of you know, many of you don't know, some of you do and some of you don't. We suffered a hurricane. Hurricane Ian, yes, came blaring through Southwest Florida. And unfortunately, my home, fortunately, I shouldn't say unfortunately, fortunately, my home suffered a little bit of damage. And a lot of people that I know suffered a lot of damage. And I've also linked a GoFundMe page down in the description box if anybody finds it in their heart to donate to these families. I've mentioned it a couple times. They are in desperate need of stuff. They've lost everything. Anyways, if you're not, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. Okay, are you excited? Because I'm excited. I love doing home tours. I absolutely love doing home tours because that gives you an idea of all the decor all put together and you get to see the home. And speaking of that, Christmas is coming very soon. And I'm very excited, and I want to give you a sneak peek of where I might be going for Christmas. So come see me at the end of the video and I'll show you the sneak peek. Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to my home. All right, I'm gonna give you a little overview and then I'll explain everything I've done. So this is a change I made. I'm not gonna keep it like this, but I like the lightness that it brought to this corner. And now coming Christmas time, I'm sure I'm gonna change it about 1,000,000 times. So here's a little overview of the house. It's all clean, looks really good. Pillows are always such a nice touch in any festive seasonal look. So I love using lots of pillows, lots of texture and stuff like that. I love what I did here. I love the wall unit. I think it turned out so good. I had no idea where I was going with this, but I really do like how it turned out. So last year I had this little shelf on the other side, and I had a bunch of decor on it and stuff like that. But this year I moved it, and here's a view of my dining room. I love my dining room. I think it looks so good, especially with fall and Christmas. The traditional table, I always say I have the most traditional table on YouTube, or dining room set on YouTube, but I can't part with it, y'all. I can't. It's sentimental, and I love the blue and white pumpkins with the touches of fall and the apothecary jars. I think it just looks so good. Now, I didn't do much. I actually did nothing inside my hutch. I just did the top of the hutch this year. But now come Christmas, I'm going to take everything down, including the blue, and I'm going to start from scratch. So you got to come back and see what I'm going to do at Christmas time to this hutch, because I really want to go overboard this year. So speaking of dining rooms and that sort of thing, I'm going to be hosting Thanksgiving and Christmas this year. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited to host. So here's another little overview of the living room, but you'll see it more as we go along. I love this little corner, this little vignette hides a door. If you're new to my channel, I gotta show you what's really behind all this. There's an actual French door behind here, but for some reason I did not like the look of it in the house, so I covered it up. I find that this year I didn't do as much decor that I would have liked to do. The hurricane really did put me behind. But all in all, I think it looks great. And I love this look, this view from over here that you can see the house. You can see all the decor. Looks really good. And my mantle is probably my favorite. I did this neutral. This is where I thought I wanted to go this year, like all neutrals, but I couldn't resist adding a fall color. I couldn't resist, but I do love this. And now that I look at the house, I really want to change it up for the fall, for Christmas. I know a lot of people are going to ask me where I got those ginger jars, the black and white ones. They're from Tuesday Morning. They're not actually Mackenzie Child. Here's my kitchen. This is where I did the absolute minimal. I did nothing here, guys, because I just didn't, time-wise, I couldn't do anything. I added some fall touches, but nothing really. There's the donuts I made over on Instagram, so make sure you check me out on Instagram. I added a little wreath. I didn't do anything on top of the cabinets. I barely took out any fall decor and put it on the countertop, which I always do. So really, the hurricane really did me an injustice. Okay, this is the part of my kitchen that I absolutely love, and I love decorating this. My centerpiece is from Kirkland's, the 2 big jars on the table. But my hutch, I thrifted this hutch, and I tore it apart and painted it and added the shelves. I did everything. I love this hutch, and I love how it turned out this year. And here's my little coffee bar. What I did change up is I brought this cabinet from the front of the house over here. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. It's so much better. The black wrought iron matches the black in the little shelves. The dark color of the wood looks so much better over here in this part of the house. I just think, I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but I didn't do much. There's that little mug my friend gifted me. You might all know her, Colleen. She's a YouTuber also. We met last year. And here's my little bar. Of course, I did nothing. I just added a tea towel. But at least we got some fall in. Some fall. Christmas, don't worry. I'm going to go crazy. I'm really excited. And I'm hosting. So it's going to be overboard. It's really going to be overboard. Run to Hobby Lobby, y'all. Those florals in that little jar, little apothecary jar, are from Hobby Lobby. And they are fantastic. Florals, really, this year, it's a lot of florals that I added. And I just think the florals made it come to life. It really did. And going forward, like after Christmas, I'm going to really concentrate on making really great floral arrangements. That's one thing I want to do for my channel, is make really great floral arrangements. And here's a view of my bedroom. Isn't it cozy? It screams fall. It is so cute. I love it. I really didn't do much, but the pops of color, oh my god, just looks so good. And my bedroom's like, to me it's new because I refreshed it recently on my old channel. But I got a couple, I want to refresh my bathroom. I want to redo my bathroom. So you have to come back and see that and follow me, because I love doing DIYs and all kinds of things like that and home improvements. I'm going to add a lot of that to my channel this year. And I got a couple things up my sleeve, so I don't want to reveal anything yet. Okay, y'all, grab a cup of coffee because I'm going to show you the nighttime view. I know we're ending in my bedroom, which I love. If you need to know any information, just ask me ask me down below any questions on where I got anything, and I'll try and answer all the questions. So here's the nighttime view. Sit back, relax. I'm just going to let the music play, and you'll see my final goodbye at the end of the video. But I really wanted to show you how cute the house looks in the night. I think it's adorable. It's cozy, it's warm. The candles give off a soft glow. And if you really crank the air condition really low, you might feel like fall. But here in Southwest Florida, we don't really have fall. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope everybody is having a beautiful fall, and harvest is coming soon for all of us here in the United States. I'm really excited for Thanksgiving. I'm really, really excited. So thank you for stopping by today, and thank you for watching, and you'll see me right at the end of the video. So you made it to the end of the video. This is my new best friend. This is my new friend that I picked up at Walmart. Is he not the cutest? Tell me this is not the cutest Santa you have ever seen. He has bunny slippers. He is wearing his plaid robe, and he's got his striped pajamas on. He's got a teddy bear and a little mug and some holly and the cutest felt hat you've ever seen, and his little face is adorable. If anyone's interested in this, it is from Walmart. It was $19.98. Run, get this. Okay, let me put Santa here for a minute, and let's talk about the home tour. I love it. I am not a minimalist. I would have done a lot more, and I would have had this tour up a long time ago if I didn't lose power and all that. But we're here now, and I'm really excited to share with you. I hope you like it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, tell your friends, tell your family about this girl Bella that decorates on YouTube. Okay, let's get back to Santa for a little minute. This is where I'm going with my theme. Now, themes for Christmas. We will be talking about themes and decor and Christmas till we are blue in the face on my channel from now until Christmas Day, because that is my absolute favorite time of year. So make sure you come back and see me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on this channel, because I'm gonna post a ton of Christmas stuff, and I cannot wait. So I'll see you soon, and have a fantastic weekend, and see you on Monday, everybody. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.